Hey, hi. Once again, it's me. Right. I'm just doing one quick overview on ES. So it's almost the same just like NQ. But yeah, so for ES, right, these two rows are like obvious. At least this one is like obvious. But I primarily focus on the 50% first, 50% of this range. So it's like how this range, right? So this went down up to 5411. Okay. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, so there's the ES overall weekly overview. The power of three, 1 week showing. Yeah, this was the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday overall meltdown for the week. Okay, got it. Perfect. The 4 hourly, 4 hour was too clean, crystal clear, clean. 4 hours. Okay. So yeah, at this point, these lows are like quite obvious, just like NQ. Just I told you, right? Just like NQ, this low is completely obvious. Hit by 60 around 40 points from here. 42, very specific. Yeah, hourly meltdown overall. Right, fairly up hourly. You see these lows? Right. Okay. Yeah, the daily, right? Yeah, this is the World 5305. Anyways, you see these levels very clearly as of now. After this daily closure, around 140 points meltdown on spoos. 140 points meltdown on spoos. Oh, that's not a usual thing. The market has too. The markets are too liquid at this point. That's what I feel. Okay, just try to be very, very, very cautious at this point. Don't try to increase your position size. Use less risk. And that's the only advice that I can give you right now. Yeah, I don't think I need to cover anything on ES because I've already covered everything on IQ. Yeah, I just feel at least meltdown now from here to here and again and then again, or we can break the low and continue to rally like this. This is the overall scenario that I'm looking for on ES, right? That's all, man. That's all. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for today on ES and NQ. Yeah, I already covered gold. Nvidia, let's go through Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia is also looking extremely bearish at this moment. Oh, I told you I'll cover the FX pairs right now. Okay, I'll cover the FX pairs. Not on this video, or the other one for sure. Yeah, there's the Nvidia. Let's trying to understand. Yeah, I expect massive meltdown towards the 100 on Nvidia. That's the overall scenario as of now. This all was already failed. This lows looks one-sided. Ah, shit. Yeah, this lows looks one-sided. Okay, we already tagged the hourly VG. Yeah, expect one-sidedness on Nvidia. $4 on around. Okay. The 15 minutes fractal, yeah. Overnight, yeah, this was so clean. That was so clean, yeah. So crystal clear clean on the okay. The PM run, the PM session. Strong SMT. Feeling sleepy at this moment. Yeah, that's all. That's all from my end.